How to add a contact in WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add a contact to your WhatsApp. So let's get started with today's video. Adding a contact in WhatsApp is a fairly simple process. To do so, we open up WhatsApp first. Then, after you log into your WhatsApp, just tap on the plus icon from the bottom right of the screen. Normally, you can add a contact from your contact list, but here you can go to the option that says New Contact right there. So just tap on this and go to New Contact. Now you can enter the name, first and last, the country code, and the phone number, and you can also sync the contact to phone. Then tap the Save button to add that contact to WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.